Kia ora guys, my name's Rory. I'm a resident here in Tolaga Bay, or UAWA. We're just trying to make a venture here for redoing the park and naming it Skate N Park so that we can get more facilities for the young kids to utilise. If you've got any suggestions or any ideas, follow us on Facebook, UAWA SKATE N PARK. So I've been a skater for 30 years. We're just hoping that if there's other like-minded skaters, you can bring your ideas together or bring them onto the Facebook page and let us know what you'd like to see in the skate park. The more ideas, the better. And if you want to fund us or help with funding, please follow our Facebook page. It's a great community to get behind. Go UAWA!
Mm-hmm.